52-inch mulch kit breakout. Alright, with the mulch kit broke out of the box, you'll have 3 pieces to bolt on plus a bag of hardware. As it's bolted into the deck shell, you'll have the left side mulch plate, right side mulch plate, the block off plate that will close up the discharge opening, plus the thumb screw to hold the block off plate on into place, and also is the bag of fasteners, carriage bolts, and nuts. We're here at the old Grasshopper mower garage. We'll go ahead and remove the discharge shield. There will be some deck hole plugs, these black deck hole plugs throughout the deck shell that we'll have to remove in order to bolt in the mulch plates. All right, just like that. During some installations of the mulch kit, you may have to remove additional shielding on top to gain access to bolt in the mulch plates. However, with the 100V 52-inch, that is not required. We'll remove the original blades that were used inside discharge. After the blades are removed, you will also then have to remove the auxiliary discharge shroud. Most decks will have this bolted in between the right and center spindles, 4 bolts. This will allow the mulching plates to be bolted in place with it removed. Alright, so one more thing that will need to be removed also is on the discharge side, this discharge deflector that kind of bolts on the outside of the deck shell, and so this will also have to be removed in order to install the mulching kit. All right, next step then will be to install the mulch plates. There will be again these holes here that you popped out the little black hole plugs. So everything is already pre-drilled, no drilling required to install the mulching plates. The far left hole here might be covered up with a decal on top, so you'll just have to poke through that decal in order to install the hardware. So there's the right side mulching plate installed. Now we'll install the left. So now the left side's installed. Over to the right. And lastly then will be the actual blades. Okay, so we got the high-low mulching blade.
Genuine Grasshopper.
Yeah. And The deflector cone, go ahead and make sure clean out any debris that's left over in the cone. There is a washer down in the cone. And go ahead and just clean that all out. Tap out any excess dirt, grease, debris. That way you got a nice clean cone inside. Making sure you have a fiber washer, blade washer, and then also the hardened bolt and hardened washer that goes up against the flange of the bolt head. Insert that into the cone. And you can start to hand tighten the bolt up into the spindle. And then we will also torque the blade bolts to 55 foot-pounds. So again, you'll have, once the mulching blades are installed, you'll make sure and torque down each blade bolt to 55 foot-pounds. Just like that. All right. Last step then, once all blade bolts are tight and secured and all your fasteners are tightened down for your mulching plates. Last thing that you'll install then will be the discharge shield. Just like that.
Grasshopper, first to finish, built to last.